If you're seeing the api-ms-win-core-path-l1-1-0.dll is missing error when trying to open a program on your Windows PC, this usually happens when a program requires a Windows component that isn't available on your system. If you're running Windows 7, 8, or 8.1, this DLL isn't included in those versions of Windows, so the error usually happens due to a compatibility issue with newer programs. In that case, you can either install an older version of the program or skip directly to method 3, where I'll show you how to upgrade Windows. However, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this file should already exist on your system, and the error is usually caused by missing or corrupted system files. So with that said, let's get into this video and fix this issue quickly. Now, before we go into the fixes, we need to find out if you have a 32 or a 64-bit Windows operating system. To do that, in the search area of the taskbar, type Settings. Click on the first result that appears, and then scroll down. You should be able to see the About section. Click on that, and next to System Type, you should be able to find out if you have a 64 or a 32-bit operating system. Now that you've found this information, let's jump into the fixes. For the first method, you'll need to download the missing DLL file and place it in the correct folder on your computer. First, open your browser, go to the link shown on the screen, and scroll down to the Download section. Here, download the 32-bit DLL file and save it to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file to get the DLL file. Next, open File Explorer, go to the C drive, and then open the Windows folder. Now, the folder where you paste the file depends on your Windows system type. If you're using a 32-bit version of Windows, open the System32 folder and paste the DLL file there. Or, if you're using a 64-bit version of Windows, open the syswow64 folder and paste the 32-bit DLL file there instead. Once that's done, restart the application and check if the DLL error has been fixed. For the next method, you can download Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages from the official Microsoft website and install them on your PC to see if that fixes the DLL error. Now, to do this, open your browser, go to this Microsoft link. Here you can see different Visual Studio versions. We need to download and install 2017 to 2026 and Visual Studio 2015. So let's start with 2015 version first. To start, click on the adjacent link. Here it's asking us to visit another link, my.visualstudio.com. So let's open that link. You might need to sign into your Microsoft account. Since I've already created an account, I'm just logging in. Next, go to the Download section. I'm just going back to the previous link to copy the text that I need to search. Just copy it and enter in the search bar and hit search. All right, so now I can see that it's found the download file. And again, here there are x86 and x64 versions. You need to download both these files. So click on Download, Save, and select x86 next from the drop-down. Click on Download, and save again. Now let's go back to the previous link, and then let's download 2017 to 2026. Again, here we need to download and install x86 and x64 versions. So click on the adjacent link of x86 first. Click on Save. Similarly, download the x64 version as well. Click on Save. Now that we've saved both the files, next we need to install them. So let's start with the installation. First, we need to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2015, and then install Microsoft Visual Studio 2017 to 2026. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, Agree to Terms, and then select Install. Once that is done, click on Close and repeat the same process for the remaining files as well. Now sometimes when you open the file to install it, you might see a repair option. If that appears, it means the program is already installed on your PC but may be corrupted. In that case, go ahead and select Repair. However, if you only see the Install option, simply proceed with the installation as usual. Alright, once that the installation is done, now we need to restart the PC and see if the missing DLL error is now fixed. Before upgrading, you need to make sure your PC meets the requirements. Open your browser, go to this Microsoft link, and download the PC Health Check app onto your PC. Next, open the downloaded file. Accept the terms, click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Click on Finish. The PC Health Check application should automatically open next. Click on Check Now. A pop-up will open, and if you are able to see this message, it basically means that your PC requirements are sufficient for the upgrade. However, if you are not seeing this message, then you might need to upgrade your PC configuration before trying to upgrade Windows again. If your PC requirements are met for the upgrade, next, upgrade the Windows OS. Click on the search area of the taskbar and type Settings. Click on the first result, then select Windows Update, and then click on the Check for Updates button. If the latest Windows version is available for your PC, if you see an option that says Download and Install, it might look something like this. Click on the Download and Install button to begin upgrading your Windows operating system to the latest version. Windows will begin downloading the upgrade. After the download finishes, installation will start automatically. This process may take some time. When everything is done, log back into your system, then run the application again to see if the missing DLL error is resolved. So that's it for this video. Hope the method shared in this video was useful for you. Until next video, thank you and bye-bye.